Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute penguin in Procreate. I will show you how to do this step by step, from creating this sketch to the outline and filling it with flat colors, and finally making it to life with shadows, highlights, and textures. So you can draw this as well. In this video, I will only use Procreate default brush. If you're new here, I'm uploading cute drawing ideas like this regularly in this channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below, so you won't miss any further episode. Now let's get started. First, we choose black color and 6B pencil and sketching to draw the draft. Let's start by drawing a big circle as the snowball. Next, draw 2 more curves for the penguin's head and body. Then connect these 2 curves together. And draw his tail and 1 foot. Then draw his arms lying on a snowball. Next, we're gonna draw his face. Then add a hair and some snow on his head. Now let's draw some bumpy lines around the circle we drew earlier. Then let's draw more snow on the ground. Next, we're gonna add some details for the drawing. Now let's draw some trees as a background. Finally, let's add some snowflakes to the sky. Next, let's use the freehand selection tool and transform tool to make some adjustments. Now we finish our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then change the color to this dark blue. And change the brush to Studio Pen and inking. Then we can start to draw the outlines on the new layer. Now let's add some details. Okay, now let's use the light pink color to draw the cheeks. Now let's give the background a really light blue color. Next, create a layer just above the background layer. Select the white color. Now let's draw the trees. Next, let's create a new layer to draw the snowflakes. After that, let's swipe the layer to the left and tap the duplicate button. Then use the transform tool to move it. Same for the others. Next, let's pinch these layers together. Now we can add the draft layer. Next, let's change the outline layer to reference and create a new layer below to add colors. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on the layer below. We can directly drag and fill different areas with different colors. Now let's create a new layer to paint the snow. Just remember to paint different parts on different layers. This will help us to add shadows, highlights, and textures easily later. Next, let's paint the penguin with blue. Then yellow color for his mouth and foot. Now we have finished coloring. Let's disable the reference function. Create a new layer above the coloring layer and change it to clipping mask. Choose a darker color to add shadows. In this way, the new drawings will only appear based on the parent layer. Same way for the highlights. Next, let's add textures. Create a new layer and change it to clipping mask. Then change the blend mode to multiply. Select the blue color and the noise brush and materials. Now let's draw the texture around the shadow area. Next, let's create a new layer on top and add some white color around the highlights areas. Same way to draw the snowball. Finally, let's create a new layer here and draw the shadows on the ground. Now we are done for the cute penguin drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. See you next time.